Hey everyone, so this was my GJ trade for today. I took it as a 1%, 0.9% loss. So how I actually spotted the entry was actually because right before the the North American currency open, I actually saw this 15-minute candle closing above all these candles on the left, very slightly but still closed above. So what I did was I waited for this next candle to flip bullish. After it created a small lower wick, and then when it flipped bullish, I took the entry long. Hence, it's where it is. And then I had my stop loss below this support over here. So, unfortunately, I missed out seeing that based on this latest swing down, which broke this support level over here, price was actually holding at the 50 pip, and technically, even though this candle had closed above all the previous candles, none of the candle bodies actually closed above the 50 level. So that could have been a sign that the bullish momentum was not as strong yet, and that we were due for a retracement on the higher time frame, lower in line for the shorts. So I was looking for longs around this area here, within this gray area, this green area over here, because this was within the FIP golden zone on the 1 hour. So I was waiting to take longs in these areas, and I missed out seeing that on this latest swing move down on the retracement, price actually had not broken above its previous resistance. So I should have waited for the longs to appear, which they did much later on, right at the New York Stock Exchange hourly close. So this was a move that I've seen happen quite often recently on GJ. So this could have been a trade that I could have taken in line with the original higher time frame long bias. So over here, price was making higher lows and higher highs all the way up, and it has not broken. So the reason why I am long bias is also because price has not broken below this level of support on the 4 hour. So my bullish bias remains. It's just that price is trading within a higher time frame range right now inside this area. So gotta be really patient for it to either break out to test the weekly highs. If not, then it will come down to clear this area of resistance. So that was my loss for today. I only took one trade, and I didn't take any more because after that I saw another move on gold, but I didn't feel entirely sure about it. So on gold, this was the entry that I saw. I had this area of 4 hour previous support. So usually I would take my entries when this candle made a lower wick, since the support was already formed on the 4 hour and when it flipped bullish. So my only target was around this area here for this clean move up, and then I would have been out of the trade. So the risk reward was quite decent on this, about 1.5 R. So after that, because I had this level, this 4 hour resistance level over here, I waited for this area to form resistance on the 5 minute, which it did over like this. So when it formed that 5 minute resistance of this 4 hour area of resistance, I was already looking to go short on this. So, but I hesitated because I thought that this level of resistance was actually quite strong and it might not leave me a lot of room down. But I felt to remember that usually what I always tell everybody is, as long as you are coming from a higher time frame level of resistance, which in this case was the 4 hour, this level here, it was only a 1 hour resistance. So trading from a 4 hour resistance to a 1 hour resistance, I should be able to break this level with volume. So that was my trade recap for today, the 14th of January, on the trades that I took and the trades that I saw and missed. So hopefully you guys found this valuable. Let me know with a like or something on the IGTV video so that I know that you guys like this kind of content and I'll continue making them. If you are seeing this on YouTube, then do me a favor, hit the like button. Thank you.